everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be doing a super fun bag review. So I am deciding to sit in the sun because it is just super nice and it's been snowing a ton lately, so it's nice to have some sunshine. But I'm doing a review on this Waterfly outdoor bag, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing, or should I say unbagging. I will share the website right here. You can check it out. You can use my little link if you want to get like a discount. This company offers free shipping worldwide. They also plant a tree for every bag that they sell, so that's really cool to help plant a tree when you buy one of their bags. Easy 30-day returns, 1 year limited warranty. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bag that I got. So this one is a really nice looking camel colored backpack type bag. I would guess that I would be able to take this traveling, which I love to travel. I've got like a pouch here, and then there's also like backpack straps. There's like soft cushions here. And then let's take a look at all the zippers and the little areas. So here, this could be like a little laptop holder. If you wanted to put your laptop or your iPad in here, keep it protected. And then this one right here, I'm guessing a little water bottle or maybe like a phone case you can put in there. You can also detach it if you don't want, you know, to have your water bottle there. And I like the little shiny like gold areas. This is really nice. Here we have a little cinched area. You can cinch like a jacket or a coat or something while you're hiking or traveling. Just a really great way to like add extra things on the outside. We've got a front pocket here that zips. That's got a good amount of room. So I mean, snacks, you can put all sorts of things. And then as you can see, this one folds up. So that helps it with the waterproofing, I think, because the bag is going to close down and the zipper won't get like affected. Actually, there is no zipper here, so it's just like an easy action. You like clip and unclip the top, and boom, you get to open your bag. And inside, wow, okay, so even more inside. This bag is like really awesome. There's so much going on here. Okay, so inside you've got another like couple pocket areas. You have like a smaller one, a larger one. Let me take a look here. You can unhook these or unvelcro them. Looks like you can unvelcro them. Again, you can put your iPad in here if you have an iPad, or you could put notebooks or books in the front section, makeup or other like smaller items in the middle little like area, and take it with you. So let me show you. I'll put it on for style. You can cinch this front part if you want. Tighten it, tighten that, and then you've got your back. So I think this is really great. This is like a really good quality bag, and the company seems awesome. So on here we've got the tag, talk a little bit about it. As I mentioned before, they plant a tree when you purchase the bag. They are supporting the outdoors. They are promoting outdoor activities and sustainable use of natural resources. So that's really cool. And let's see if there's anything else. So they've got 3 main service centers. One of them is in the US, one of them is in the Netherlands, and the third one is in Japan. So that's really cool. This company is in those 3 countries, creating and serving people. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead, take a look at their website. They have so many different bags, so many different styles, and for different activities, for different uses. So you can find something for nearly everything. There's for men, women, children, You can find utility bags, lifestyle bags, sport bags, outdoor bags, duffel bags, backpacks, totes, like everything. There's so many different types, like fanny packs, running belts, crossbody bags, so many different things. So I definitely suggest to check out their website, waterflyshop.com. That is my review today. I hope you enjoy. Go ahead, like this video and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.